Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video, we are going to see how to add different apps in your desktop. So let's get started. First, right click on your desktop, then click on this option personalize. Now on the left side panel, click on this themes option, click on it. After that, on the right side, click on desktop app icon settings and you will see this kind of window here. So these are the desktop icons you can enable from here. So enable all the 5 options. Okay, click on apply, then click OK. Cut this window and you can see these are the 5 icons which are added. Now after that, if you want to add any particular application on your desktop, in that case click on this Windows icon. Let's suppose you want to add this Microsoft Edge, simply drag and drop on your desktop. You can see a shortcut of that application is added on your desktop. So you can add any application from this list. Let's suppose you want to add this share it application, simply drag and drop it. So like this, you can easily add any application icon on your desktop. Just drag and drop like this. So this is how you can add any application icon on your desktop on Windows 10. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching.